The students of Nongstoiñ College.
The mementos, I would like everyone to give a huge round of applause.
RUSA 1.0, RUSA 2.0, many projects have been taken up here in Nongstoiñ College, and I remember the first time when I came here, maybe in 2015-16, it was a very barren campus. Now the campus has a totally different look, and I can tell you the lucky ones are you as students who graduated today, and also the students who are still studying in the college. I would like to also place on record the good contribution made by the faculty members, teaching as well as the non-teaching staff of the college. For the students who are graduating, it is my immense